Who loves Dippin' Dots?
We gotta get moving. Kayla's got granola to go.
You're not being very fast.
Oh, I'm not moving very fast. Gotta go. And now, for you are my favorite game. Where is Kayla in the grocery store? That's what we have to find out. Hopefully it's easy. Probably not likely. Or it might be real easy. I don't know. We'll see. Hi, Kayla. I missed you. Did you find any? I did, but I didn't get the discount because I didn't have a Rite Aid card. It was supposed to be buy one, get one half off. And I was like, I'll do that. And then I don't even get it. I think we are the granola people because we just had to make some more granola. I made it this time. And I just burnt a little there, burnt a little in there, and over there, and... Well, I tried real hard, guys. It was my first try. So it wasn't that bad. I don't think it was that bad. I'm gonna go to sleep, because that's what you do when it's nighttime. See you tomorrow. What is this craziness? It's called snow. Do you see it? Kind of see it. It's coming down. And, it was 60 degrees yesterday, Kayla. 60. Okay, time for breakfast.
We're at the gas station and we've gotten free gas. Steven wanted me to vlog about it. Can't see anything, but hey, free gas. And I'm not gonna vlog myself because I just got back from the gym and look like poop right now. You can look at my shoe though.
Okay guys, I found a really cool secret at GetGo. If you type 911 help and yes, it zeroes out and it thinks that you're like a medical system or something, and you can get free gas. 911 help and then yes, and it's free gas at GetGo. It's not photoshopped. It's not photoshopped. It's pretty sweet.
Who loves Dippin' Dots? I do. Do you?
I think they're flavorless though.
Yeah, flavorless Dippin' Dots. This is where they get them from. I don't know if you can see these very well, but they're like little balls of snow. It's not like even... It's not like ice balls. It's snowballs. They're so cute. And Dippin' Dotty-like.
It is very Dippin' Dotty-like.
We need to fill our windshield wiper thing with some flavoring. Shoot it out at the balls.
So, I've got to go like way far away tomorrow for a training that I didn't realize I had to go so incredibly far away. Ooh, it is cold down here. Brr. Ooh, brr. Wow. Ooh, it's like shiver-inducingly cold. And I guess we're gonna play a game. There's no clothes basket to get clothes with. I need clothes basket. Just need it. I need it. Oh well, I'll figure something out. We have washer clothes? Nope. No washer clothes, just dryer clothes. I don't know why I'm telling you. Okay, gonna go to sleep. We'll see you tomorrow for a trip and a wedding. Good night.